So we have to go all out. See, it doesn't matter what Rajasthan is at the moment. We know they're out, but still we have to play a game of cricket. I know they would look to finish on a high note, but of course we can't take them lightly, thinking that they are out of contention and they'll play some loose cricket. So of course we are ready for them. We have to do whatever we can, and yes, it's an important game for us to win. See, it will come. I'm sure. He's already played a beautiful innings against Chennai Super Kings. And for him, he doesn't need any. He's got so much of runs over the years, so I don't think he's. He needs to be in form or something like that. He's already been batting well. It's just a matter of another good inning, which I hope it's going to come tomorrow. No, I'm very happy with whatever I've been doing. When you are in form, you need to make sure of getting the team into a good position when you're there in the middle. So I'm just trying to hope that again tomorrow I've got an opportunity to go well and perform. So hopefully I will try and emulate what I've been doing in the last 15 games. Confidence is really there. Tomorrow hopefully if I can get some more runs, it will really help the team, and that's what we want. No, I don't think so. See, Gibbs is in good form. He's already got a half century, and Sachin is opening with him. So I don't think there's any problem there. Sunil Narine, obviously he's an exceptional bowler. He's been doing well. See, I don't want to talk about opposition here. We know that they've got good bowling lineup. If we play normal cricket, I'm sure we can tackle any bowler. We just need to get off to a good start and capitalize from there. And we know the outfield here is very fast. The wicket is good, so we have seen some big scores here on this ground. So it's just about the first 6 overs. If we get to a good start, then it's up to the middle orders and the lower orders to get to a good total. Yeah, see, of course we accept that the way we wanted to play, we haven't done that. We accept that, but of course people say we haven't played to our potential. Still we are at number 3. So of course we as a team, if we can play to our potential, I'm sure we're going to do well. It's just about the time. I think we are picking at the right time. Our fielding has been brilliant throughout the season. Our bowling has been brilliant. It's just that somehow in few games our batting we haven't managed to chase smaller totals, but we have seen we have won few close games. So it's not that easy. I'm not blaming our batting lineup here, because chasing 16 runs in last over is never an easy job. We have done it 3 times, I guess, now. So yes, our batting has been terrific. We just need to go out and enjoy, which I think everyone is doing that. So it's just the matter of we've got one more game against Rajasthan, and hopefully we can click together in all the departments, and it will really help us in playoffs.